Hi friends, hope all of you are doing great. Today I am inside my car and today we are going to do a video on tire mobility kit. I will be showing that out. So this is a tire mobility kit that we got from Tata, and this tire mobility kit is something that I will show how to use the tire mobility kit, how you can inflate your tire using that tire mobility kit. So this video is going to be very informative for those who are buying Tata cars, and for all Tata cars, you know that this kind of mobility kits gets supplied. So let's see how to operate that and how it works. By the way, this is very accurate when it comes to measuring the PSI or the bar for tire pressure. It's pretty accurate, and I have checked that, cross-checked that outside also, and I find it extremely accurate in terms of the tire pressure. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the tire mobility kit that you get once you buy a Tata car, and any car, if any model, be it Tiago or be it Altroz or Nixon, be any model of Tata car that you buy, you get the same tire mobility kit. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so inside the mobility kit you get this tire inflating device, and here you can see that bar and PSIs are being marked. So this is pretty straightforward. So there is a 12-volt socket, so which you can of course connect with your car. So in the car you have this 12-volt socket holder. So you just simply untie it and connect it with this 12-volt socket holder. Okay, so once you connect it, it will go inside like this, and you have a switch out here. So if you press this switch, okay, so the tire inflator will start. You see one more thing out here. So this is they also provide a puncture repair kit. So they give you a chemical which you need to pour inside this. You need to pour that entire chemical into this slot, and then use tight it, and then use this tire inflator to inflate that punctured tire. So automatically the solutions will flow in through this pipe inside your tire and will block the puncture temporarily. Put it inside your tire and just try to tighten it clockwise. Yeah, so now the inflator has been fixed with the tire air lock, and now let's start it. Okay, so this the black ones are the bars, while the red ones are the PSIs. So according to the recommendations, it is 2.3 bar and on the front tire, and on the back tire it is 2.1 bar. Okay, but I fill up normally 2.3 bar in all 4 tires. Okay, so the black ones are bar and the red ones are PSI. Thank you everyone. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked my channel, please subscribe to it. Please comment and share this channel. And for more informative content, please click the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Thank you very much.